Ready? Start. Punjab and Haryana High Court had directed for the redesignation of the petitioners. Stop. They were entitled to the benefit of redesignation and equation of the posts of senior translators and junior translators. Stop. It was considered before the High Court that, as per the practice, the state government was adopting the criteria sanctioned for the officers and servants of Punjab and Haryana High Court, and accordingly, the Chief Justice of the High Court had similarly recommended for the redesignation and equation of the posts in question. Stop. The aforesaid judgment of Punjab and Haryana High Court has been reversed by this court through its registrar. Stop. These have been equated with the posts of superintendent in the establishment of Punjab Civil Secretariat. Stop. We are absolutely conscious that in the case at hand, the seniority has not been disturbed in the promotional cadre and no promotions may be unsettled. Stop. Anyone who sleeps over his right is bound to suffer. Stop. The seniors cannot be denied the promotion. Stop. We may hasten to add that the same may not be applicable in all circumstances. Stop. In all circumstances where certain categories of fundamental rights are infringed. Stop. Equality has to be claimed at the right juncture and not after expiry of 2 decades. Stop. It has been said that everything may stop, but not the time. Stop. We all are slaves of time. Stop. The defendant resisted the above claim, and in doing so, he pleaded that Shyam Singh, president of the DAV College Society, had not been referred by the DAV Society to institute the suit or to incur any expenditure in this connection. Stop. The defendant further averred that site of the building was acquired by it and the building as well was constructed out of its funds and that the plaintiff was incorrect in stating that the said land was acquired by it and the building also was constructed at its cost. Stop. The defendant number 2 felt aggrieved from the above and filed an appeal in the court of District Judge Hoshiarpur. Stop. On that basis, respondents represented to the Chief Justice of the High Court to allow them similar benefits. Stop. The state of Punjab was reorganized into states of Punjab, Haryana, and Himachal Pradesh. Stop. After attaining the status of full statehood, High Court of Himachal Pradesh formulated its own service rules. Stop. It is not necessary for us to examine different qualifications for appointment and as to the mode of their recruitment or placement in the service. Stop. Moreover, any change can set in the motion chain reaction for other employees which may give rise to multiplicity of litigations among various categories of employees. Stop. Rules of each High Court have to be examined independently. Stop. There cannot be any such law that Himachal Pradesh High Court has to suo motu follow the structure. Stop. The appeal was consequently accepted and the suit of plaintiffs was dismissed and the parties were left to bear their own costs. Stop. The above is a finding of fact which is based on cogent evidence and therefore it cannot be interfered with at this stage. Stop. The plaintiff and the defendant both claim ownership of the building. Stop. The facts of the cited case are distinguishable from the facts of the instant case. Stop. Additional government pleader presented the affidavit on behalf of the state government. Stop. Pleader means a person authorized by or under any law for the time being in force to practice in such court and includes any other appointed with the permission of the court to act in such proceeding. Stop. Learned pleader of the opposite party claimed that the basic criterion was not fulfilled as per the infrastructure raised by the state government for the welfare of public at large. स्टॉप. ये हमने 85 वर्ड्स पर मिनट से किया है.